Are you seeing? Are you seeing? I hope. I hope this video is really showing this thing very well. Okay, so before we start, there are a few items you would actually need for this. Okay, so first of all, what you would need, obviously, is a liquid eyeliner. I'm actually using one. This is actually black. This is a black eyeliner, and this is from MacBrook. Okay, so you can find them on Instagram. Actually got this from a makeup vendor, but you can also find this brand on Instagram. Okay, another thing you would need is concealer. I'm actually going to be using the LA Girl Pro concealer. This is what it looks like, and this is actually in the shade what's the name of the shade? I don't know. Okay, this is actually in the shade Espresso. Okay, so this is actually an LA Girl Pro concealer. I think it's really close to my skin. Not really, but then it's something I can use because it's a little bit closer to my shade, right? So that's what I'm going to use to just clean off the excess. And then you would need a brush, an angle brush or a flat brush will do, but I think an angle brush for a beginner. Since you're a beginner, just use an angle brush. It will really help you to define the lines. Okay, so since we're ready and we have all our items, let's just begin. All right, so first of all, I think I need to get really close to the camera. Okay, I need to get really close because even me, so I need to use a mirror. All right, so here's how we are going to do it, right? We'll just take out our eyeliner. This thing is focusing here. We keep down so that we don't mess it up, right? We take our eyeliner, start. You see this line here in this your eye area? That's what we are going to draw. We're going to draw this line here. Just see this line. Then see your eyebrow ends here. This place, just, in fact, how about I drop this down? Let me use maybe like a pencil or something and just put it there. See, look at the line. Are you seeing it? That's the line that we're following. You understand? That's what we are going to. That's the line we're following. That's how your eye looks like. Your eye goes upward. There's some people's eye shapes that are different, but like for this technique or for like the wing liner that is very popular, this is how you can achieve it. So just follow these steps and it will be very, very easy for you to get. Okay, you see how your eye is? Just follow. Do as if you are drawing your eyeliner to join with your eyebrow, but don't go all the way, just a little. So let's do that. So you take it, you start from this corner here. See this place? Don't worry if you make mistake, it's okay. All right, so we have drawn that. Are you seeing? We have drawn that. So we'll now close our eyes. Close your eye. When you now close your eye, start from here. You see this place? Start from here. Draw the line from here, from the edge. And bam. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Then fill it in. Are you done? Fill in, no. Don't allow any place to remain. You understand? No spaces. If you have space, fill it in. Fill it. If you are good. Are you seeing? After we drew the line, we now joined it to this place. There's a tip in your eye, just here, just before your what do you call it? Just before your like the corners of your eye, right? Just before the corners, there's a place on your eye that just lifts a little bit. Start from there, take it, and then join the line together. Do you understand? You understand me? Take from, there's a place on your eye. When you close your eye like this, there's always a place that looks raised. Do you understand? There's always a place that looks raised from the rest of your eye. Just start from there and draw the line and join it, or you can draw from the back and join to the front. Any one that you want is okay. Do you understand? No pressure, is okay. When you finish joining the line, you now take that your eyeliner and fill in every other place. Are you okay with that? All right, so what we're going to do next is we're going to take our brush and our concealer and clean off the excess that we have. So if you are ready, let's start. Usually I will just use my concealer and just by myself, but I'm going to do it so that you can understand. I'm going to use a brush so that you can understand better. So I take the brush, just dab on the concealer, the mouth of the concealer, just to get a little of it. When I take that, please watch me very well. I see that, oh, okay, there's some parts of my eyeliner that it's as if it's not as perfect as those Nikki tutorials they might be. Okay, now see, just watch what we are going to do now. Just watch what we are going to do. Okay, so we'll just take that and line the eye. That's to make it look sharp, like all those Nikki tutorials. Yeah. Are you seeing? Are you seeing? I hope this video is really showing this thing very well. Are you seeing? Now, after stamping that on, do you understand? Are you looking at it? After stamping that on, just take a beauty blender. I say beauty blender, just take a blending brush and blend it out. Just blend out so that it will just look more natural. See, more natural, just so that it will look blended. Are we okay with the bottom part? All right, so we'll go back to the concealer again. We'll go back to this concealer again. And we'll conceal the top part. So just close your eyes. Just follow the line that you have drawn. What we're basically doing is to make the line very smooth. Just trying to make it very smooth, and I want to make it look professional. So I'm making use of a mirror because, well, obviously even myself, I need to see what I'm doing. So we'll just follow that line. Use an angle brush so that by the time you just stamp the brush like this, everything will just be perfect and fine. Close your eye again. Okay, so after lining it, go back with your um beauty sorry blending brush, the beauty blender. Go back with your blending brush and just blend off the excess. Are you seeing that? Whew, it's giving. It is what? Giving. Are you guys seeing that? And then you can draw it like a pro. You can draw, in fact, you have even drawn like a pro already, safe. Eh? Look at it. Hmm? I know some people don't want to make it to look as big as this. If you don't want it to look as big as this, you can still draw it smaller and still follow this technique and just line it to make it look very professional and very, very neat. That's how you can draw it as a beginner, and then you are good to go. If maybe after some time of practice you don't need to conceal anymore, good and fine. But I just want to tell you that when you are trying to learn, it's okay to make mistakes. That's why I've showed you how you can correct your mistakes or your errors with your concealer. So if you enjoyed watching this video and you've enjoyed what I've taught you and you've learned something from here today, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, do well to share, leave a comment, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.